Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to teach you how to find total and average and maximum minimum in Microsoft Excel. I think it has beginner level. Before going to the advanced level, first we learn the beginner level concept of Microsoft Excel. I am going to teach you this 5 concept. Before that, I am going to modify the table, so that select the table and go to the modify part of the table. Here you can see many selection here. I am going to choose this one, and after the I am going to find the total. So that before find the total, first you have to understand what is total. Total means sum of many numbers, that's all. To find that, I am going to type this command equal sum open bracket and select the numbers. After select, you can type enter. I got the total. After that, I am going to show it downside. Here you can see I got the total of all the students. After that, I am going to find the average. To find the average, what we are going to do that, how to do that? Just find the total. We already found that, and that divided by 5. Why we should divide it by 5? That because there are 5 subjects here, so that we need to divide it by 5 the total. To find the total, we need to type this command equal average and select the subject. I am going to select physics to history. You don't need to select the total because I choose it average. This process will doing by computer, so that you need to select the subject only. After the enter, I got the average. When I swipe the downside, I got average of all the student. And next, I am going to find the maximum and minimum. To find maximum, here I can easily say the maximum number is 89. So I type 89. But when I swipe that, you can see guys, when I swipe that, I will get same answer. So guys, you don't do like this. Whatever calculation you are doing in Microsoft Excel, you must do command form. The command is type equal next and open bracket, select the marks and press enter. Here I will get correct answer, and so when I swipe that, here you can see the all answer are correct. You can see here. And like that, to find the minimum, type min open bracket and select the marks and press enter. Here you can see I got the correct answer. And swipe that, here you can see the all answer are correct. And next, okay guys, I am going to show you how to include a chart. So that I am going to select name and press Ctrl. For example, I am going to choose total and go to insert. I am going to include bar chart. So I choose it a 1, and I can modify that whatever I want. And title I will give you total. Here you can see guys, it's so easy to do that. Okay guys, today I am covering this 5 concept. Let's see advanced concept of Microsoft SQL on upcoming videos. Until then, bye guys, subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.